Have you seen Dark Web Series recently, which is trending on Netflix right now? If yes, then a big thumbs up for you. And if no, then stay tuned that I gonna tell you why you should watch Dark at least once. Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing great and well. Welcome back to another episode of Fictionary. Today I am going to share my personal experience on Dark Web Series, which is trending on Netflix right now. I recently finished watching it, so I thought why not make a review for you guys. You may have seen many kind of time travel movie before, but this series will give you a different thrill about time travel. This is a beautiful science fiction time travel story with lot of thrills which will never gonna bore you in any point. And in the last season, last episode also, it was very much successful to maintain its thrill, and that's how it constantly charges your head nerves while watching. Especially those who love to watch sci-fi movies will gonna love this series. The series is about a small village called Wilnan, where this story is revolves around four families, and the names of these families are Ninsal, Khanwal, Tiedemann and Doppler. You need to remember these four families' name and their family members' name while watching, cause in time it gonna confuse you who has what kind of relationship with whom. The story starts with a suicide in a place where accidents or crimes are very rare. Then one after another such incidents happen that shakes the foundation of these four families. They gradually understand that everything which is happening in now is somehow connected to the past. In the meantime, they find out that there is a time travel portal in a cave outskirts of the village, which they can use to go back in time and try to stop this incident. And later on, they gradually realize that no matter how hard they try and how many times they travel back to the past, there is no way to change the future, and that brings only suffering in place of decreasing it. Each and every episode of this series will give you some information which will help you to find out the connection and understand that how it is connected to each other. I personally recommend that you need to watch the whole series to understand what is happening. Before concluding, I want to share to the viewers that calm your mind completely before watching it, as it can give you a head spin while watching. The series is available in two different languages, one is in German and another is in English. So go and watch it and let me know in the comment section how was it, and if you have any question you can ask. Thank you for watching my video. If I am able to give you any information in any way, then like my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming video. Take care, be safe and be at home.